Holds up Seeley. Oh! Down goes Roczen in a big one.
It could be career ending.
I've watched you, time after time, choose to get back up. Not because it was easy, but because surrendering has never been who you are.
It's back in the window.